Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How much does TurboTax charge for a 1099? The answer isn't a single number, because it completely depends on what kind of 1099 form you have. Let's break it down. The most common reason people ask this is because they're a freelancer, an independent contractor, or a gig worker who received a 1099 NEC or a 1099 MISC. If that's you, you can't use the free or deluxe versions. You have to use TurboTax Self-Employed. This is because you need to file a Schedule C to report your business income and, more importantly, to deduct your business expenses like mileage, home office costs, or supplies. The self-employed version is the most expensive of their main online products, typically costing somewhere between $90 and $125 for your federal return. Keep in mind that price can change, often starting lower early in the tax season and increasing as the April deadline gets closer. Now, what if you have a different type of 1099? If you have a 1099-B from selling stocks, crypto, or other investments, you'll need TurboTax Premier. This version is designed to handle capital gains and losses and usually costs a bit less than self-employed, often in the $60 to $95 range for the federal filing. For simpler forms, like a 1099 INT for bank interest or a 1099 DIV for dividends, you might be able to use TurboTax Deluxe, or in very simple cases, even the free edition. However, if you plan to itemize deductions instead of taking the standard deduction, you'll be pushed into the Deluxe version anyway. But the price of the software isn't the final cost. There are two huge factors to remember. First, state filing is almost always an extra fee. You can expect to pay an additional $40 to $60 per state you need to file in. Second, if you want to add TurboTax Live, which gives you access to a tax expert, the price for any of these packages will increase significantly. So, to summarize, for a freelancer with a 1099 NEC, you're looking at TurboTax Self-Employed plus a state fee. For an investor with a 1099-B, it's TurboTax Premier plus a state fee. The final cost depends entirely on your specific tax situation and which product it requires. Always check the TurboTax website directly for the most current pricing before you start. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple answers to your tax questions.